If you need to clean up your Mailchimp audience and keep your list organized, this tutorial will show you exactly how to archive unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp quickly and safely. Archiving old or inactive contacts is a great way to manage your audience, reduce clutter, and keep your contact list easier to work with without deleting important data permanently. Before we begin, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're inside your account, head over to the Audience section. This is where all of your contacts are stored, and it's the best place to manage subscription status and contact actions. After that, click on Subscription Status so you can filter your audience by the type of contact you want to work with. Now you'll want to tick the option for Email Unsubscribed Contacts. This will show you the contacts who have opted out of receiving your emails. These are often the people you may want to archive to keep your audience more focused and easier to maintain. Once the unsubscribed contacts are visible, take a moment to review the list carefully. Next, select the contact or contacts that you want to archive. You can choose one contact at a time or multiple contacts if you want to clean up several entries in one go. Double-check your selection before moving forward, because once you archive them, they'll be removed from your active audience list. After you've selected the right contacts, click on Archive. Mailchimp will then ask you to confirm this action. This is an important safety step because archiving is a permanent action for your active list view. So Mailchimp wants to make sure you really want to continue. When the confirmation box appears, type archive exactly as shown. Make sure the spelling is correct and use uppercase letters if that's what Mailchimp requires on your screen. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental archiving of the wrong contacts. Once you've entered the confirmation text, click on Archive one more time. Mailchimp will process the request and archive the selected unsubscribed contacts. In just a few moments, those contacts will be removed from your active audience view, helping you keep your account more organized and easier to manage. And that's it, you've successfully archived unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp. This is a simple but powerful way to tidy up your audience, especially if you're working with a growing email list and want better control over your contacts. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Mailchimp and software guides coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.